Let me show you all motions and the gestures available on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So, in order to find them, we need to go to Settings, scroll down and go to Advanced Features. Then over here, go to Motions and Gestures. Here we have the list of motions and gestures that are available on S25 Ultra. We have Lift to Wake, where we can turn on the screen when we pick up our phone. We can double tap this screen in order to turn it on or off. We can enable the option that allows the phone to alert us when we pick up the phone after a missing call. We can enable mute with the gestures, where we can mute incoming calls and alarms by putting our hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. And we can also use palm swipe to capture, so we can do dash dash over here like this in order to capture the screenshot. Let me try again. There we go. And furthermore, if you go back to advanced features, you can also go to multi-window in order to find two more gestures. The first one is swipe for split screen, and we can use two fingers in order to swipe from the bottom of the screen towards the middle in order to create the split screen. And we have swipe for pop-up view or floating windows, where we can grab by the corner and then change the size to turn on the pop-up view for the current app. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!